Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to create a 2x4 ceiling. Alright, let's get started. So firstly, come to your customization function and go right into your ceiling function. Alright, once you are in, click on to your ceiling and then ceiling design. Alright, so make sure you click onto your ceiling surface, and as you can see, there's a blue line on it. Okay, so right now, use the rectangle function and draw a rectangle, which is your 2x4 ceiling. Okay, click onto your rectangle. Okay, and then over here, you may resize them. So I'll be resizing them to my length 600, my width 1002. All right. Once I'm done resizing it, I would like to place it, adjust my placement. I would like to place it at my top corner. All right. So as you can see, the dimensions over here are all given. So on the top part, I just key in 0. On the left hand side, I key in 0. All right. So it will automatically place at the corner. All right. So right now, click back onto your ceiling surface, as you can see over here at the right hand side. Okay. So off the top, change this dimension to 1. Okay, and as you can see, it actually moved upwards. Okay, and then once you're done changing this one, click back onto your 2x4 ceiling. Over here, you may also resize the thickness. All right, so right now it's 300. I'll resize it to 30. Okay, and as you can see, okay, this is actually the thickness. All right, so once you're done, I would like to pave across my entire ceiling. So how do I do that? Right click, okay, and then select paving, continuous paving. All right, so just drag your mouse across. All right, don't stop right here. Okay, drag it all the way out. All right, do not stop right here, drag it all the way out. Okay, once you're done dragging all the way out, you can actually just type in the numbers. All right, just immediately just type in the numbers. So these numbers are actually the gap, okay, the size of the gap. So I would like to put 8. Okay, so 8 would be my gap size. All right, then left click, and then you may see your 2x4 ceiling has been created and paves on your entire ceiling. All right, so right now let's return. Okay, so what if right now I would like to add a ceiling light? Okay, so click onto it again, go modeling. Okay, so if let's say I would like to add my ceiling light over here, I can just delete this. Right, I can just delete this off, and also this. Okay, so right now return. Okay, so this is the part where I would like to add my ceiling light. So go back to my cloud. Okay, decorations, lighting, and then look for ceiling light. Okay, so I will straight away go to that page because I already know what kind of light I'll be using. So I'll be using this light. Okay, so just drag onto your ceiling, right? And when you drag onto your ceiling, you come up here to the information icon, click on the information icon and resize it. All right, resize them according to your ceiling. So my length will be 600 and my width will be 1002. All right, so right now, place it. Okay, so adjust the placement. Okay, so make sure you adjust them just by dragging the arrows. Okay, all right, so right now I don't have to I already have one done. Okay, I would like to add 2 more. I don't have to drag it out and then I have to resize them all over again. Okay, so what I need to do is that just hold on to your shift button and then drag. Okay, so just drag. Okay, one more time, hold on to your shift button and then drag. All right, so this is how you create a 2x4 ceiling. All right, happy trying, guys.